Are you worried about how to rent out your home during MCO period? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, a channel where we discuss everything about real estate to help you make an informed decision. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel for more contents like this and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that more people will be able to find this video. Okay, back to this. We are talking about MCO now and people are really scratching their heads, especially vacant units, how to rent out. So these are a few of my suggestions on what you can do during this MCO. Number one, first is to reevaluate your rental strategy. Let me give you an example. Let's just say if you're renting out a whole unit, maybe the demand has changed, okay? Maybe the area demand has changed, people have pay cuts, they can't afford a whole unit, people have to relocate back to their hometowns, or maybe lost their job, they can't afford a whole unit, you get the picture. Change it to room rentals. How about changing it to room rentals? Add a partition, change it to room rentals, and you may actually break even, okay? And perhaps you did not consider the second one, the strategy you consider is lowering your rent. 2,500, maybe you can lower down to 2,000. Lowering your rent, how much to lower? You can lower it to at least cover about 80% of your installments, because 80% of your installments is actually your interest, at least to cover just your interest, okay? You cannot expect the property, the rental to be the same because of this situation. Revaluation of strategy, number one. Number two is to find the right agents. You can work with the right agents now. Find the right agents who concentrate on that condo or areas of yours to market your property. A lot of real estate negotiators now are suffering, okay? Suffering because of the pandemic now. Everyone is suffering, especially the real estate agent. Most of them may not even be in the business, what I say. So you need to find the right agent to market your unit for you. How to find the right agent, that is a topic for another story, another day. And if you have found the right agent to take care of your unit and also market your unit, please compensate that agent well. Do not try to cut corners, okay? At these tough times, I know, wow, if I don't cut his commission, then I don't get tenant, then how? Everything I what? I rugi lah, I lose lah. Well, at this time, both of us, landlords and agents, we all need each other, okay? If you need the services, then do pay. If they have an expertise, pay them fast. You will rent out your unit faster, and they will feel more motivated to close for you, because they also need to eat, and they eat only when they close, okay? Next one is to market it yourself. The third one, market it yourself. You can market it yourself. There's various platforms you can market. Number one is like Mudah. You can list it on Mudah yourself. iProperty, I think they do allow private advertisers. I've seen some advertising about private advertisers, but I would suggest Mudah start. Free ones, okay? Facebook Marketplace. Nearly every one of us is on Facebook now, okay? Malaysian especially, they are most active on Facebook. Put it on Facebook Marketplace. Say, hey, I got a unit up for rent. Anybody who wants to rent my unit. If maybe it's your friend who wants to rent, try and negotiate cheaper price, okay? Next one is the online platforms, rental platform, things like Speed Home. You can actually check out their terms and conditions, or you can go to Cozy Homes. This is another rental platform. And one more is Insta Home. These rental platforms, right, most of the time they offer you straight away the 3D tour, where they come and take the video of your property. Whoever wants to come and view, they use the virtual tour, no need physical viewing. Nowadays, physical viewing is not encouraged, okay? And moving forward, this will be the trend. Take the video and people will rent from the video only. So you need to prepare as a landlord to use these platforms to your advantage, okay? So you list it there first. And if you can like, what I would do is that I will also join Facebook groups and share my listing there. But that is really not that effective. If possible, what I will do is that I will print some flyers, just a small quantity. I will distribute it around the commercial area. What I will aim for at this moment is healthcare. For example, if your property is located nearby a hospital, you can rent to the staff there, nurses, doctors. You can rent to those, especially near a hospital or near the services they provide to the hospital. What example is like, for example, these catering services, they are operating a central kitchen near the hospital because they supply to hospital, right? Or any gloves glove warehouse or equipment warehouse, anything that is related to the hospital, the healthcare, they need a space to stay. You can rent out your properties to these people, pass the flyers out. You don't have to pay people. If you want, you can, but I would take the time to go down and actually survey all this and pass the flyers myself, put in their mailbox myself. Well, security down there, you just need to talk to them, make them a teh tarik. That's where you do some of the groundwork, okay? At times like this, do not spare just leave no stones unturned. During times like this, please leave no stones unturned and explore as much as you can to rent out your property as fast as possible. I hope these tips give you some ideas on how to rent out your properties, especially during this MCO time. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. If you have any more questions with regards to property and financing, do send me a WhatsApp or email me. My email is down below. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.